Sometimes late at night, I lie in bed and cry, and wait for my guardian angel. In a beautiful scene, she allows me to dream. My guardian angel. I'm learning how to fly higher than the sky. Joy replaces fear inside. When I feel the world is coming down on me, I see my guardian angel, dressed in satin white. She covers me with light. My guardian angel. When she touches my face, the world's a perfect place, and sadness just fades away. She visits me at night and stays till morning light. My guardian angel. Her music comforts me. Her voice brings me peace. My guardian angel. When I'm